What's up, weirdos? One last video before we call it a night. Let's have a quick look around the market, guys. We have a key breakout repeating what happened last year, and it's going to blow your mind, guys. It's going to blow your mind. It was a massive break to the upside. I'm going to get into it. But first, what do we have? Jasmy down 5.5% on the day, up 36.3 on the week, 2.5 on the month, and down 20.5 on the year. Down one spot in rank to 82 with a $687 million market cap, 89 million in volume. Swiftcoin down 10.5 on the day, up 53.8 on the week, 17.8 on the month, and 155 on the year. Down 15 spots in rank to 264 with a $127 million market cap, 4 million in volume. Volume's really dropping off on Swiftcoin. No buying pressure, no selling pressure. Onyx Coin down 9.3% on the day, up 110% on the week, up 45.5 on the month, and up 888 on the year. Down 5 spots in rank to 89 with a $606 million market cap, 87 million in volume. And ZBEC, let's have a look at our ZBEC. Up 0.5% on the day, up 3.8 on the week, down 8 on the month, and down 65.5 on the year. We're up 5 spots in rank to 389, a $66 million market cap, 14 million in volume. Let's go have a look at that BTC chart, guys. Let's see what's going on here. All right, so Bitcoin, right now we lost the support level at 84K. We managed to hold and close above the 30-day SMA. Then we lost it on the new daily candle, but we've now since wicked back up over top of it. Yeah, we're just sitting right on top of the 30-day SMA here on the daily time frame. Once we lose it, guys, once we lose it, I think we will. But it seems to be pretty strong right now with support for 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th day in a row it's been support. Again, if we lose it, we drop down here to between 80 and 81K. Likely retest this top trend line on the falling descending channel for Bitcoin before confirming the breakout and going to the upside. But if the retest fails, boom, we're back down inside of this channel, which is still a bullish channel, but at the same time, we don't really want to see that, right? We want to see us get back up over 84. Let's get over 85, but I don't think that's going to happen. I think we're going to come down and retest here. We got some, listen, April's going to be a bit of a sideways month, right? I don't think we're really having a break to the upside significantly until we get into May. That's what I am watching for on Bitcoin. So, okay, couple of quick things to cover. Check this out, guys. Onyx Coin fans out there. What do we got? The Onyx Smart Wallet is just around the corner. Their beta launch with gas-free transactions and passkey wallet access exclusively for the XCN ledger and more big things coming, guys. The Onyx Coin Smart Wallet. Very, very bullish, guys. Cannot wait for that to come out. We're waiting for Jasmy's to come out as well. Speaking of Jasmy on the rise. Alt Crypto Gems says Jasmy on the rise with a great rise of 40% this week. Jasmy has risen in the price this week due to Binance community votes, which has brought a lot of confidence for new investors and whales. Up 45.81% on the week, guys. Did very, very well, in my opinion. Let's put Binance in their place, right? A little bit of Swiftcoin news for you guys too. Check this out, guys. As World Liberty Financial's USD1 is already live on Bridgers. Very, very bullish, guys. This is what adoption looks like. All right, and then just a little reminder, we have this coming tomorrow, guys. Boom. Reminder, Powell speaks at 11:30 a.m. Eastern tomorrow morning, will address inflation data and market outlook. Expect massive volatility. If we can get the slightest hint of bullishness out of him, if he implies anything when it comes to um, quantitative easing or anything like that, this could be very, very big. We could see a nice pump. However, if he is bearish, look forward to the dump. We'll see. We will see. All right, so we're going to look at the Jasmy chart as soon as we finish up this article, guys, and we'll have a look at this massive breakout that we're talking about. So Jasmy testing key moving average resistance following a breakout. Can it repeat a strong rally? The cryptocurrency market has recently faced intense selling pressure. The Ethereum, marking its worst Q1 performance since 2018, dropping over 45%. This broad downturn has hammered altcoins across the board, and Jasmy was no exception, crashing more than 50% over the last 90 days. However, momentum is starting to shift. Jasmy has posted an impressive 37% gain in just the past week, and with price action improving and technical indicators aligning, a potential recovery rally could be on the horizon. Testing key moving average resistance. On the weekly charts, Jasmy's recent upside move was triggered by a clean breakout from a long-standing falling wedge pattern, a bullish reversal setup that typically appears before strong recoveries. The breakout occurred around April 11th, when Jasmy surged above the 208 level, pushed the price towards its current level of approximately 1.5 cents. This breakout has now brought Jasmy face to face with a critical technical barrier, the 100-week moving average, currently around 1 cent 607. If bulls manage to flip this moving average into support, the next key target is the 25-week moving average, sitting higher at 2 cents 435, nearly 72% move from the current price. That zone also coincides with a previous area of heavy resistance, making it an important level to watch. Can history repeat itself? Interestingly, Jasmy has shown this pattern before. Back in 2024, a similar wedge breakout led to a massive rally, sending the token flying from the 1 cent 2 area to 4 cents in a matter of weeks. The structure and momentum now look similar, and many traders are watching to see if Jasmy can repeat history. Momentum indicators like the MACD are also starting to curl upwards, hinting at bullish momentum. Maybe that bullish momentum, may be building once again. So what's next? For now, all eyes are on the 100-week moving average. A confirmed breakout and weekly close above this line could open the door for a much larger move, potentially towards 2 cents 435. So let's go have a look at the Jasmy chart, shall we? Now, guys, if you've been on this channel for a while, you know we've been tracking this for months, really. So here we go. We have this falling wedge pattern, okay? And this started back in December. So December, January, February, March, and half of April. 4.5 months we've been in this structure, okay? We're just having the breakout right now. We broke above the 30-day SMA. And we have our breakout here. It looks like we may be creating some sort of a little bull panic before we continue up higher. Now, how high could this go? Well, let's look at the history that happened before. As you can see right here, we have the falling wedge pattern over here that happened. This was 5 months we were inside of here. June until November. June, July, August, September, October. 5 months. 5 months we were in it. Yeah, 5 months. That's what I said. 5 months we were in it, okay? Just 2 weeks short, or 2 weeks longer than the current one we're in now. Now, how much did this one break to the upside? when it finally broke out of that long 5-month consolidation. From the bottom of the breakout all the way to the top, you are looking at a 263% break to the upside, right? 263%. So if we come back over here, let's bring this down a little bit. Now from the breakout again, 263% is going to bring us right around here. Yeah, pretty close to that, actually, pretty close to that 3 cents one. Sorry, 3 cents one. Now, that would be perfect because it does meet up with a significant level over here. It was resistance, it was resistance, it was support. So we do have a significant level there at 3 cents one as well. So that's what I'm watching, not 2 cents four, but 3 cents one on this breakout. If it repeats, that is where we're looking to go for Jasmy, guys. So let me know what you guys think, because I think this breakout, I've been calling for this breakout for quite a while now, guys. It's plainly obvious right in front of our faces. Now, guys, if you are looking for education in this asset class, if you're looking for training, if you're looking to find out how you can make life-changing wealth in this market and get out of it with your profits intact, because there are so many obstacles in this space that many, pretty much no content creators actually tell you about, right? So if you want to get the proper training and education that you need to succeed in this space, guys, come on over, join our community. We're constantly dropping educational videos. We do technical analysis training. We're live over in our community on the Patreon every single day. You don't want to miss those live streams. The chats are buzzing 24/7, guys. We are one of the largest educational communities in crypto, bar none. Come on over and check it out. And on top of all that, you also can book one-on-one coaching calls with me personally, absolutely for free, as a community member over on the Patreon. We can sit down privately, discuss your portfolio. We can have a look, make sure that you're not over diversified or under diversified. We can consolidate things down, make sure that you're optimized for maximum ROI going into this altcoin season. Come and get the help that you need so that you can leave this asset class with life-changing wealth for you and your family. That is the goal at the end of the day. Not all the bells and whistles, not all the, all the fear and the FUD and, the euphoria and all that kind of nonsense, right? Facts, education, and success. We make plans, we stick to plans, and we succeed. Consistency and patience is what we teach. There is no shortcuts to success in this space, guys. If someone sold you a bag that says that crypto is a get-rich-quick scheme, somebody lied, okay? That's not what this is. We will help educate you. We will help train you so that you will be successful. You will build wealth in this space for generations. So come on over, guys. Check out the Patreon today. Join the community. Book your one-on-one coaching calls. We also drop microcap gem videos, education videos, live streams, and so much more. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.